Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the mutton casserole.
Ingredients are mutton brisket 1.5 kg, carved into chunks, fried bean curd sheet 1 to 2 packs, mushroom 8 pieces, water chestnut 8 to 10 pieces, ginger 8 to 10 slices, salt 1 teaspoon, star anise 2 to 3 pieces, salt, garlic 8 to 10 cloves crushed, rock sugar 2 to 3 pieces, Shaoxing wine 1 tablespoon, cooking oil 2 tablespoons, hot water 800 milliliters. Seasonings: red fermented bean curd 1.5 cubes, 粗口 paste 柱侯醬 2 tablespoons, light soy sauce 1 tablespoon, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Rinse the mutton. Rinse and peel the water chestnuts, cut into halves and set aside. Rinse the mushrooms and soak in hot water for at least 1 hour. Take out and remove the stem. Reserve the soaking liquid. Separate the fried bean curd sheets. Soak in cold water until soft. Add cold water to the pot. Use high heat. When boiling, add 2 slices of ginger and 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine into it. Blanch muttons for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain and set aside. To braise, heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok on high heat. Add the star anise, garlic, ginger, and the seasonings. Stir to mix. Then add the blanched mutton and pour Shaoxing wine around the wok. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 400 milliliters of hot water to the wok. Braise and cover on high heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Transfer the mutton to a casserole. Add the water chestnuts, mushroom water, and the remaining hot water. Water should covering all ingredients. Rock sugar. To braise on high heat for 1 hour. Turn off the heat and let rest cover for 30 minutes. When time is up, add the bean curd sheets. Put the lid back on and high heat to braise for another 20 minutes. Add salt if necessary. Serve with seasonal vegetables. Enjoy!